This tutorial will show you how to customize the Wixie settings for your entire organization. Log into your Wixie administrator account and click the Settings tab in the green bar on top. You can adjust the time zone so that the date and time of the assigned projects match the time zone where you live. Add the name of the person in your organization who should receive an email when there is an error importing user data. If you use Wixie with primary learners and authenticate with usernames and passwords, select the Yes Radio button so that students can log in with QR codes. If you are in a one-to-one setting, you may choose to store user credentials for teachers and/or students to ensure logging in and authenticating is a seamless process while using the Wixie app. In the Project Access section, you can choose between 3 security options to meet the needs of your organization. When public is chosen, anyone will be able to view projects shared by your teachers and students. If you select private, a public key will be required for anyone to view a teacher or student project if they are not logged into an account that is part of your organization. The public key is included in project URLs in the Share dialog. This makes it easier for students to share their work in other products they have accounts for, such as Google Classroom. You can turn this off if you want to increase the amount of privacy on projects created by your users. The last option is to make projects public for teachers and private for students. This option requires a public key for student projects, but not for teacher-created projects. In the link sharing area, customize your settings based on the acceptable use policy at your site. The first 2 options allow teachers to share student or teacher-created projects directly through social media or email. The last option allows students to email links to their projects if they know the recipient's email address. Students can open templates from Wixie's curriculum library, as well as the templates created by their school or district. Use these checkboxes to set which grade level templates you'd like to display for your organization. Wixie has both a standard and primary user interface. In the theme area, choose the default interface you want students to use. Teachers are able to override this setting to personalize Wixie for individual students. By default, Wixie is set to display in English. Choosing French or Spanish changes this setting for your entire organization. When students log in, they arrive at a dashboard where they can see new assignments, start a blank project, open a project they have already created, and more. If you prefer students open to a new blank project, select Open to a Blank Project. By default, projects will appear in grid view. Use the pull-down menu to change the setting to List View to view projects as a list. Under Objects, choose the size you want stickers to appear on the page. Wixie allows users to record and add videos to projects. Use the video pull-down if you do not want this feature enabled for users or if you want to block the Add from YouTube option. By default, collaboration is turned on. Uncheck the box to disable real-time collaboration if you do not want your students to be able to work with another student or team of students on a project. If you prefer to only have teachers initiate team projects, select the box to only allow teachers to create team projects. In the text area, customize the default font, size, and alignment of text. You can adjust the voice and the speed in which voice is spoken under each drop-down. You can also choose to have Wixie check spelling as students type. Wixie will show a red line under words it does not find in its dictionary. By default, dictation is turned on. Select No if you do not want the option for students to use dictation. Change the LMS Submit button to No if you do not want users to be able to mark projects complete in your LMS. Students can select Done when their projects are complete. Select No to remove the Done button on their toolbar. By default, the Erase Page button is not shown on the Eraser panel. You can change it to yes if you want users to be able to erase the entire page. You can turn off the zoom button for users. Users can add images to Wixie from their Google Drive by default. Select No if you do not want users to be able to add images to Wixie from Google Drive. The integration section gives you controls for Google Classroom. This option is also available for teachers of Classroom accounts. Unchecking Google Classroom removes the Classroom button from the Share dialog, Assign dialog, and Toolbar. Wixie allows teachers to add co-teachers to their classes, and teachers can create their own custom classes for any students who are on the organization's roster. This is helpful when specialty teachers need to work with a specific set of students. You can uncheck either box if you do not want teachers to add co-teachers or create a custom class of students. Adding co-teachers or custom classes does not affect the data on your roster. Only the teacher can see the custom classes or co-teachers. Finally, choose the standards you want Wixie to display for your users. Teachers can search the curriculum library using these standards and connect these standards to student work. Once you have customized your settings, simply log out. Changes to the administrator